happening on the field. A lot of people have taken offs today, are enjoying that match live in most of the places. Let's now go live to Delhi, where Sylvester joins us from Delhi. We've got Rashmi from Kolkata joining us there and also Sakal there from the newsroom joining us. So you got three people, two from Delhi, from Kolkata. First, let me head eastwards to Kolkata. Rashmi, what's the mood like? Have the people, is it gloom there in Kolkata, or do people still believe that they can turn it around?
By Team India, expectations were sky high from them, especially because they had been performing so well. They have won all the 7 matches they had played so far, but their real strength was put to test today as they are facing Australia in the semi-finals in their home ground. But that confidence, that expectation has dipped hugely, especially because the batsmen who were facing the most amount of expectations, like Virat Kohli, Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma, they are all out. So chasing the target of 328 runs seems to be very challenging now. Yes, the environment is very gloomy, the atmosphere is very low, people are very disappointed with the performance. Let's just hope that Team India can at least put up a good fight.
Well, good fight is what is expected from Kolkata and the fans from Kolkata. Rashmi, you stay on there with us. Let me go to Sylvester. Sylvester is running into a bit of a technical issue with the batteries there. Sylvester, good afternoon. How do you expect this particular game to pan out? Do the fans in Delhi believe the match is on?
Yeah. Anil, this match reminds me of the match against Zimbabwe where we lost 4 early wickets. And then it boiled down to the partnership of Raina and Dhoni, who saw us home. So I think now is the chance of Rahane to prove, after the South Africa match, to prove his mettle over here and build a partnership with Dhoni in order to see us home. And this is a really tough fight. We have a potent bowling force in form of Australia.
Do the fans believe this match is done and dusted, or do they believe this particular Team India has the firepower in them to take this down to the wire?
Fans here believe nothing is impossible. They've been chanting India, India since the morning. They've been here since the toss and slightly mellowed down at this point of time, but I'll speak to them and see what their reaction is. So, आप बताइए, इंडिया 4 विकेट्स खो चुकी है और
अभी धोनी बाकी है. अभी धोनी जिताएगा टीम को. धोनी कैप्टन है टीम का, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो करके दिखाना है उसको, और रहाणे को भी कुछ ना कुछ करके दिखाना ही है. तो इंडिया जीतेगा ही, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए.
तो आपको क्या लगता है, अब जिस तरीके से 4 विकेट्स जा चुके हैं इंडिया के, तो अब क्या चांसेस लगते हैं हमारे?
देखो, मैं तो यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जो उम्मीदें लगी हैं इंडिया की, वो शायद कामयाब होंगी.
So we'll leave it there. We'll leave it there. We are expecting Delhi to turn it around for them. Thank you very much for joining us there from Delhi. Let's head at this point of time. Let's head to the newsroom where Sakal is joining us. Sakal, what's the mood like in the news pit? What are people expecting? Do they believe the match is still on, or do they think this particular Indian World Cup journey is over and out?
At least, Anil, I must say your newsroom, especially your sports desk, hasn't really given up. But right now, what we really need, what Suri sir just mentioned, 100 and a consolidated partnership. Let me quickly run through the mood or the sentiment that you've been talking about. We know that what has really disappointed at least the business and the sports desk is departure of Virat Kohli, and after that the other 2 dismissals that happened. Let's quickly talk to Tejinder and find out what the sports stats particularly are thinking right now. Like 4 wickets down, 329. Is it really a tall order? Teji, over to you. Can we just quickly have a look, how did disaster happen, and would you say that it was a turning point?
Yes, I would say it was a turning point because we were expecting him to deliver good. He's a big match player and we wanted him to perform well, and he's like the backbone of this team. And playing such a shot, look, just have a look. I mean, the way he played this shot, it was like...
You think it was a mistake?
Yes, it was definitely a very, very big mistake. I mean, we were expecting him to perform well, but he didn't perform.
Okay, so Tejinder says that Virat Kohli's dismissal can be, called a turning point. Now let's quickly talk to Tapash. Tapash, do you think we can really make it from here, considering 4 down, and we of course want skipper Dhoni to play the captain's knock, which is usually expected from him?
Dhoni has to deliver. It's like Captain Marvel has to deliver the knockout punch for the team. Right now, we have got 20 overs still to go, and you need at least 10 overs. Like the run rate is kind of creeping till 10 run mark, but If you go another 10 over and then probably then they decide to accelerate, maybe who knows. But as of now, Dhoni needs to anchor this innings. They need to play the 50 overs. If they play 50 overs, they will reach somewhere near.
Anil, the sports desk hasn't given up, and that is quite expected. Now, quickly,
Sakal, you've
let's
got
have
Marklin around
a
there
quick
with you.
point from the business desk. This is not business as usual for them, but then they still hope that India can make it. Quickly, Arun, what's your take? क्या होगा?
दिल से सोचूं तो इंडिया को जीतना चाहिए, but yes, when I think from my brains, I mean looking at these factual figures, I think we won't be in a position. But yes, दिल तो यही कहता है कि इंडिया जीत जाए.
Okay, a few more reactions from newsroom Munmun. So what do you say? Oh, you got cricket all over.
Well, as a cricket enthusiast, I am pretty disappointed with the performance of the team. I think neither the batsmen have performed nor the bowlers have performed. I wasn't expecting them to come down the way they have. And it's now just about the lost margin. Let me be very clinical.
Okay, clinical. Ritu and Mamta, jaldi se match India जीतेगी या आपको क्या लगता है?
Fingers crossed. Keeping the fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best actually.
20 ओवर बचे हैं, उम्मीद नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए मुझे लगता है.
आप जल्दी बताइए क्योंकि आप एडिटर हैं और आपको क्या लगता है आज की आपकी रात की हेडलाइन क्या होगी?
हेडलाइन नहीं होगी, भारत सेमीफाइनल से भी बाहर हो गया, फाइनल का रास्ता उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल थी डगर.
भारत के लिए फाइनल की डगर मुश्किल. I think this is really getting very interesting. Let's have few more editorial comments. In fact, here we can take a last comment from Manjeet. Manjeet, what do you have to say? Headline होनी क्या चाहिए?
देखिए, क्रिकेट जो है वो अनिश्चितताओं का खेल है, लेकिन 9.5 रन प्रति ओवर अगले 20 ओवर तक बनाना, ये चमत्कार जो है वो करना मुश्किल है. लेकिन भारतीय टीम जो खेल रही है उनको ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि जो पूरे भारत में लोगों ने एक दिन की छुट्टी ली है और जो 5-5 पैकेट अगरबत्तियों के खरीदे वो बेकार नहीं जाने चाहिए.
Anil, so do you think I really have to say anything? Of course, to sum it up, newsroom is supremely optimistic. They haven't really given up, but all that optimism really doesn't work unless and until our men in blue really fire out there. Over to you.
All that I can say at this point of time is let's not lose hope. 20 overs still of action left. 19 overs of action still left. Thank you, Rashmi from Kolkata, for joining us. Sylvester, thank you for joining us from Delhi. And Sakal, thank you for joining us from the newsroom. The excitement is still there. Many are expecting India to turn it around. We've got 19 overs of action left. Almost the asking rate at this point of time as we speak. 9.6 is the asking rate. 181 needed from now 181 runs needed, 6 wickets in hand, 18.5 overs left. It's an uphill task. India 148 for 4. Can MSD turn it around? We'll have to wait and watch. If he does it, it's going to be another big talking point in the history of Indian cricket and world cricket. We'll have to wait and watch for that to happen. As for now, that's all the time that we have in this edition.